I'm happy to announce that I'm offering a prize of $300 to the person who can first correctly answer the puzzle I posted on YouTube recently. There are only two rules to this puzzle. Firstly, each of the 5 steps has to be explained as well as the result. Like studying mathematics at school, the teacher asked us for both the workings and the result. Secondly, the deadline is St. John the Baptist Day in 2022, so you have plenty of time. To make this as fair as possible, I have asked a Mason to be an independent adjudicator. And I will attach the email at the end of this video. It has my name on the video, on the email, but the email doesn't come to me. Secondly, this challenge is open to non-Masons as well as Masons, though I think Masons have an advantage because they are used to working with ciphers. The prize will be announced on the internet together with the result of the puzzle, and the money, $300, will be sent to the lucky person by PayPal, because I'm in a foreign country, so please bear with me. The answers can all be found in my book, Freemasonry, Royal Arch. So peruse this carefully. And so please send me the 5 answers for the 5 steps together with the final answer to the email here. Thank you and good luck.